Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to the channel, and today we have something pretty special, and that is the McLaren Sabre. And this is basically what I would want to dub the pretty Senna. A limited production hypercar only made for America, and I'm gonna give you a few reasons for why that is after I give you some thoughts and some specs on this car. This is gonna be the third fastest Senna ever. I know it's not a high mark to achieve, but it will be faster than the Senna and the P1 with a top speed of 218 miles per hour. This is the most powerful non-hybrid McLaren with over 800 horsepower. It's more powerful than the Senna, and this is a very limited production car with only 15 being produced and 15 all being accounted for, with no real pricing being given out. Let's just say that it's probably super expensive. I jokingly call this a more beautiful version of the Senna. As we know, the Senna was built to be a good looking car. It's more form and function than it is beauty and design. Though this isn't the track weapon the Senna is, it does have a massive wing, massive rear diffuser, and an active front splitter. And I have a few thoughts which some other YouTubers might not have touched on. I've only seen one video on this car. This car is only available in the US, and I think the reason for that is because technically the speed tail isn't street legal out here. And McLaren did say they wouldn't help Americans get their speed tail in the country, but with the show and display laws, Americans were able to get the car here. And if you're wondering why the speed tail isn't legal in America, it's because they don't have any mirrors, they have cameras. And to shut some of us Americans up, they gave us the beautiful Senna. And I must admit, I did forget about this MSO bespoke super or hypercar coming from a McLaren. I was seeing the mule pictures and all that stuff, not really knowing what this was, and I've kind of been looking more forward to the successor to the P1. Of course, this isn't it because that car is going to be a hybrid. And like so many others, I know you guys are going to ask, Sean, with your 140 plus subscription and growing, will you be buying one of these cars? And let me tell you, the short answer to that is no. I don't have $1 million. I don't even have a couple of $1,000. I am what you would call a broke boy. Even though I have subscriptions to McLaren where they're supposed to announce these things to me, they did not tell me anything about this because they know I am broke and I cannot afford such extravagant cars. I can barely afford the equipment that makes this channel happen. I am that poor. Maybe I can afford the P1 successor if this channel really blows up, but the way the McLaren brings these cars out, that might never happen. That car might be out before I even reach 1,000 subscribers. Who knows? So there you have it, my thoughts on the McLaren Sabre. I did kind of produce this video in the middle of me making another video and me going on basically vacation. But of course, if another bit of car news happens, I'll gladly hit the internet and give my opinion on those cars. And well, for the time being, I will be taking my little break from YouTube. So if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. Got a lot of stuff for this channel. Really want you guys to be there with me. With that said, I'll catch you later.